silky smooth. So I tried to say silky soft and smooth came out instead. Hey guys, this is McGann, and I've gotten my very first Allure Beauty Box. After tax, this came out to be $10.73 for me, but normally they're $15 a month. I just had some kind of special coupon to get $5 off the first month. So let's see what comes in this puppy. Okay, first impression, the inside is pretty cute. I like the light pink, hashtag Allure Beauty Box. And, oh, it's like a little tiny magazine in here. Okay, I think this is our spoiler, so I'm not going to open that. We have got Amica Soul Food Nourishing Mask. Oh, I love face masks, so that is awesome. Then we have this cute little pouch. It feels vinyl, and it's sort of opalescent, like you can see through it. Oh, here's all our goodies in here. You can see through it, but it feels like it is definitely reusable. And I'm just gonna kind of dump it out. And we have got the Brow Gal Tanya Crooks Instant Brown Hair 02. Oh, well, that's kind of clever. If I must have filled something out that told them what color I would need. Oh, check it out. It's like a little tiny eyebrow, like mascara type of thing. Okay. I've never had anything like that before. Then we have the Mile High Club from Wander Beauty, and it says Volume and Length Mascara. That's mascara? That is not the shape I would expect mascara to be, but yes it is. Awesome! I love how that tube is designed. Monday Rosewater Toner. I'm not quite sure what that is. I like the little signature piece though right here with the rose, but yeah, I'm not quite positive what toner is. At least not in this context. I know what printer toner is. I'll have to look into that more. Then we have, what are you? Allure Seriously Soothing Blue Tansy Night Oil for normal to sensitive skin. Okay. Not quite sure what that is either. Looks like another type of liquid type of toner, maybe? Looks very similar to the pink stuff, but I don't know. I'm just learning makeup. I know nothing about skin products. Okay, Model Co. Metallic Eyeshadow Trio in Mykonos. Looks something strange that I can pronounce easily because I've heard of Greek places. Oh, that's really cute. Those are super cute colors. I really like that. Check those out. And let's see. Oh, it's really like velvety, silky, smooth. So I tried to say silky, soft, and smooth came out instead. There is definitely pigment because I barely touch these and I can see color on all of my fingers, but that is adorable. I love that. And it looks like our final piece today is a Tartiest lip paint from Tarte, and our shade is Bestie, which looks like it might be a little bit like orangey nude. What have we got? Lip paint. I don't have anything from Tarte, but I am excited to try it because I don't have anything from Tarte, but I see it all the time. Okay, that goes on like really, really liquidy. Usually they're kind of sticky-ish, if that makes sense, when you put on a lip paint. But I like how smoothly that went on, so hopefully it's a sign of good things to come. And now we'll just kind of glance through this Beauty Box little magazine. All-star lineup from Elizabeth Siegel, Deputy Beauty Director. And there's our lip paint, there's our skincare. Oh, okay, I guess you use the Rosewater Toner after you use a cleanser, if I'm glancing at that correctly, but those two pieces, $43. Then we have the Wander Beauty Mile High Club Mascara, $26. Oh my goodness. And the Allure Brow Gal Instant Tinted Brown Gel, $22. $91 now. Okay, my little bottle doesn't look like that, so I don't know if that was a sample that I got because this was the thing that was like all blue in there. It definitely didn't have a pump or any packaging like that. And okay, it looks like this is something that you wear overnight, and that is $13. Then the Amica Soul Food Nourishing Mask, $28. And our really pretty eyeshadow, $18. Oh my goodness. So this is well over $100 of stuff that we got in a box that would normally be $15. So overall we have 7 pieces that came in the Allure Beauty Box, plus our little vinyl bag. And again, I had a promo for $10 to get the first month's box, but even for $15, this is well over almost $150 in makeup, really. So I'm pretty happy and impressed with this so far, and I can't wait to see what's in the April box, because like I said, this is the March box because I signed up in the end of March. So whatever month you sign up in, you're gonna get that month's box. But it also means I should have my April box really soon, soon. So again, I'm excited to see what's next. This was a very cool box. I'm super pleased with it. If they have an affiliate program, I will have a link for that in my description below. Please, please, please check through my description and use any affiliate links you're willing to. It really helps me out and keeps me running and buying stuff like this to show you guys. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.